Suppose the demand X in units for a product is. So here's my demand function, which interrelates price and units. Usually it's solved for price. On this one, it's solved for units. P is the market price. Consumer expenditure is P times X. Okay, so let's talk about this for just a minute. Consumer expenditure, which is price times units. It's really just like a macro revenue function, price times quantity, but instead of being for one business, it's for across the entire country, and it's what consumers are spending instead of what a single business is bringing in. Anyway, expenditure is price times, and then units, we're told, is 18,000 minus 150 times price. So if you wanted to, you could simplify and get 18,000p minus 150p squared. But you can build that. It doesn't have to be handed to you. I think in some of the older videos, the problem shows this function, but it can be created. Okay, anyway, here we go. What we want to do is maximize consumer expenditure. So I want to have expenditure, and expenditure is equal to price times units. Okay, now normally we would have price here, except this time units is based off of price. So price is our starting point. And then, oops, that's just lowercase p. There we go. And then units is equal to 18,000 minus 150 times price. Okay. So if our price is, I have no idea what this can be, I'll just do 1, 2, 3. And then 18,000, oops, cosine. 18,000 minus 150 times the price. And then finally, expenditure is 17,850 units are being sold for $1 each. Gives me my total expenditure and so on. So total expenditure is going up. Let me pull this down a ways more. See if I can get an idea how these data are acting. 17, 19, 22, still going up. Okay, let's put solver to the test and see what we can find out. Set, scroll down my expenditure to a maximum by changing. Notice that solver retains all the information from the last time I used it, so I have to scroll each time I use this. Solve 60 units. And okay, I'm just going to update that to a nice round 60. Okay. What price yields the maximum expenditure? Price was this first column. Price of $60. For what number of units will the expenditure be greatest? 9,000.